Next.
Get up, 20 pieces. Come on. Sit down there. Keep quiet.
This ticket is so small.
Please don't turn me in. I'll never be stubborn again. I can change. Please, give me another chance.
Oh, shut up.
Oh.
Next. What have you got?
His little wooden puppet.
I'm not a puppet. I'm a real boy.
5 shillings for the possessed toy. Take it away.
Oh, please. Don't let me do it.
Next. What have you got?
Well, I've got a talking donkey.
Right. Well, that's good for 10 shillings. If you can prove it.
Oh, go ahead, little fella.
Well?
Oh, he's just a little nervous. He's really quite a chatterbox. Oh, you boneheaded donkey.
That's it. I've heard enough. Guards!
No, he talks. He does. I can talk. I'd love to talk. I'm the talkingest damn thing you ever saw.
Get her out of my sight.
No, I swear. Oh, he can talk.
Hey, I can fly.
He can fly.
I can fly.
He can talk.
That's right, fool. Now I'm a flying talking donkey. You might have seen a house fly, maybe even a super fly, but I bet you ain't never seen a donkey fly.
Seize him! You there, Ogre?
Aye.
By the order of Lord Farquaad, I am authorized to place you both under arrest and transport you to a designated resettlement facility.
Oh, really? You in what army?